Good morning, Mom.
Morning, Crystal. Wait, Crystal! You didn't submit your assignment last night.
Wait, but Cyril said that she will pass the assignment before midnight.
But I didn't receive anything from him.
Wait, I will ask Cyril first, Mom.
Cyril, Mom Panyari said we didn't submit the assignment. What happened?
What? That's impossible. I uploaded it last night.
You told me you forgot. You told me I got this, Crystal. I trusted you.
I didn't get it done. I even called an all-nighter just to finish it. You think I forgot after all that work?
Oh no, you're drama again.
I knew this would happen if their partner is no communication.
Maybe she uploaded it late. I didn't notice.
Lord, one job. Just one. Submit the file. Okay, that's enough. Both of you calm down. You won't stop eating by yelling. Cyril, if you want to say you've submitted it, can you show us a proof?
Here, screenshot from 11:32 p.m. upload completely.
Why? Is it in a class folder? Let's find out. Cyril, open the drive and go to the exact folder.
Wait, I uploaded to my math files folder, not the English 10 files folder. Oh no!
So we didn't submit?
I did, but to the wrong folder. I didn't double check it. I thought it was right.
So technically, the work was done, but submitted to the wrong folder.
That happened to me last quarter, but Mom still accepted it when I explained. But Crystal's reaction is valid. That's your grade.
Look, I get it. You work hard, but next time, check. That one almost ruined our score.
I'm really sorry. I explained it to Mom and sent the files now to the right folder.
What is happening here? I heard some loud voices.
Mom, we figured out the issue. Cyril submitted the
Submitted the assignment, but to the wrong folder. She has proof it was finished on time.
Mom, here the screenshot in the files. I really worked on it last night. It was just a mistake on the folder.
Can I see Cyril?
Okay, Mom.
Okay. It was on time, and the work is complete. I appreciate your honesty, but you must understand, submitting to the wrong folder is still your responsibility.
Yes, Mom. I learned my mistake. I will double check it next time.
Mom, will I speak?
Yes, you can.
I was really upset because I took Cyril didn't care. But I realized it was just a mistake.
Thank you, Crystal. That shows maturity. I'll allow this submission, but next time I won't be this lenient. Clear?
Yes, Mom.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Mom Panyaris.
Goodbye.
Whew, that was intense.
Remoto, save the day again.
We should elect Remota as a group leader next time.
Submit together. Next time, two eyes are better than one.
Agree. And thank you for not giving up on me.
Teamwork and calm thinking, always the key.